Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy juice. We're going to use watermelon, beets, ginger, and lime. Beets are the superstar. We're going to juice the leaves, the stalks, and the roots of this organically grown vegetable. Ginger is also included and has many health properties. So we're going to get started with our ginger, and I'm going to cut this into a couple of big chunks that we're going to juice. I am not going to use the peel since this isn't organic, but ginger has been shown to help reduce your blood pressure. It helps with nausea, vertigo, dizziness. We're using lime. I love lime, and it helps to keep the juice fresh longer. It also adds a delicious flavor, and I am going to use the rinds or the peels on the lime as well, because they have many health benefits as well. Now, to cut up the beets, I'm actually going to use some of my food safe gloves because beets will get your fingers red for a long time. You can wash it off with lemon water or vinegar, but just to avoid that, I wear gloves when I cut the beets. So I'm just going to cut off the bottoms and the tops, and then I'm going to peel them. Beets are a vegetable, so they already have an earthy flavor to them, so I don't juice the peels on them. It's such a beautiful, vibrant red color. I love beets, actually, cooked or raw, as we're going to have in this juice. And it's the nitric oxide in them that helps to reduce your blood pressure within hours and to keep it down for a 24-hour period, studies show. I'm also adding in some beautiful watermelon. Watermelon has lycopene as well as other amino acids, and the seeds themselves are also very beneficial. So I keep them in the juice as well. So if they get juice, that's wonderful. So I'm just dicing up my melon into big chunks, and I'm going to add that to my bowl of vegetables to get ready to juice. And I'm using my Omega juicer. It is a slow juicer, so my produce stays fresh after it's juiced for several days, even in the refrigerator. And you can see the beautiful red juice being made in the background. And further to the right, you can see the pulp that's made. Some people use this pulp in other recipes. I may make muffins with it in the future, but for now, I'm just going to enjoy my beautiful fruit and vegetable juice. It tastes delicious. The watermelon and lime help sweeten it up to make it more palatable if you're new to juice and vegetables, but it has many health benefits and it is delicious, so enjoy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.